This is human rights. I saw the human rights. They have arrested me. I don't know. This is if anything, the whole world should watch me. Anything happen to me.
Hello, my beautiful people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. Una do well, so now tell they help me, tell they share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, this video na messing video, na no messing. That messing where carry Adegboye on social media say see wetin he do, na so he be one sleep with her. So they don't go gbaga the girl. So native doctor don send ogbalegbe make dem go carry the girl. So now I go still put the video the time when they say they carry the girl. This one at the girl house. As they come, he say that they search everywhere. They look for. I don't know what it then they look for. My people. Now why for that our country? True. They not get job. They say they get job. Wetin concern wetin person talk for maths? Una they search. What una they find? Una they find wetin maybe the girl hide that be something like me. I don't know that our country. I just they look am. And about this arrest of a teen. My people, as they go arrest that girl. Because I go still put the one where native doctor talk. He say he go arrest am because of say he go soon go house. So he go need person wey go sign for am, make the girl for not run. So wetin he accuse am for, make he for come talk am well. But that one no reach to go to arrest person. I'm on no vessel because na Western world na him still dey. I know say our country, if you just get money, person just talk to you anyhow, say you dey crazy, you just go arrest am. That one na normal thing. But this one, they go arrest am to do wetin? He say make dem go make somebody go bail am, so that person go come sign. He says yes, mercy no go run. I dey here, so anytime when you come, two of una go start am. For here, then you go denuncia the person. From that the denuncia na wow. Nigeria, my country will never change. More na see the way they take do the girl house, because this one's not be saying this and that. Then just at least if you want go arrest person, you no need to check a house. You put something for inside, and you no even need, because I know say abroad you no fit enter my house say you wan come arrest me, you wan come search without judge not give you paper make you take search him inside my house. It's not done. See Nigeria, person you wan go arrest, you just go dey search inside house where the paper wey dem give you. Wetin he do na wetin he talk for mouth, wetin una come dey search something wey he hide one na one take. I know say na our country Nigeria my country, they no dey change. So na be that one I go still put obo more na still lis ten to wetin he talk, whether as una see am he do am well as he go arrest am or he no do am well, because me I no see wetin dem dey arrest person for there. He say because he no want make mercy talk say he dey threa ten am, so he want make arrest am, make dem use law take fight am. Good and fine, but not to go arrest am. You fit go denuncia say see this girl, dem go bring paper come for na the girl go dey wait for say see wetin he talk na him wan put am for problem. My people, na so I see am reach o. Abeg mo na help me share am so make people still hear. I know say two of them we no know the truth, we no know the lie, because we no dey there. Na wetin dem dey talk na we take dey talk wetin dey ground. So na two of them, I know wetin really happen to them. Whether na one dey talk lie or the other one dey talk true, we not dey here come judge. But later the truth go come out. Why some people dey join mercy say mercy na true dey talk. Some still dey join obo say na true na obo dey talk. For me, if man toast you, you are free to say I go go. You are free to say you no go go. But the rest thing I no know. Me I not dey there. So na two of them I know wetin dem do together. Now they know wetin. No, I know say na help na she find go human rights place, so but it can't cause all this. My brothers and sisters, na so we see the matter. I go put everything, more na watch and more na listen, more na help me share, make people still know what they go on. Now do well. God bless you. Bye bye.
I have not even said a word, and you are now searching my things. I don't know.
We came here with search warrant of arrest, everything on you.
I said I'm going with you guys, and I accepted that.
I'm not disputing that.
Madam, come in your life. Madam Vic.
You just injured me. Please give me that church light. Let me on for him. It's not you. My brother has a light.
Take me.
I have one. I just want you to see.
No, I'm seeing you. Fine girl. Sleep here.
Mama, please. Jingy, come and hold her from here.
Come.
Carry Tata outside. Then we won't do.
Leave this one, you sleep now.
Don't do it. No, we won't do no.
Lie on that side.
Don't do it, Kiri. That is my international document.
Don't worry.
What
See, listen. You watch me, anything I see will take inventory of whatever was saying. You are the one that is making things hard.
No.
I have right to search you from head to
Oh,
toe.
guy, you don't have right to touch my phone. See, me too, I know some laws. You can't just come and intimidate me like that
You know
now.
why I say you should leave the phone for you? Because who wants you to use that phone and call your lawyer? If not, when once the police wait, let me tell you.
They have been saying this on news. How can a police person collect somebody's phone? Is that part of threat?
That's the first thing. I just tell you the truth. That's the first thing, but you don't want to make it.
Madam, you guys can do anything now. I know I'll go there to not take 6 hours. I'll come outside. Then you people will know that everything you guys are doing is illegal. I'm sure of myself.
We are police officers. We are illegal.
I don't blackmail anybody. I don't even know who they are talking about blackmail.
Stop.
Okay,
Who? That language.
say we are doing illegal after showing in our warrant of arrest and our ID card. Don't worry.
Leave
Wait,
her, leave her.
this Oga, I respect you so much.
I'll go to you the way somebody. Are you the one that told me you are a thief?
This is human rights. I saw the human rights. They have arrested me. I don't know. This is if anything, the whole world should watch me. Anything happened to me, I've told people what the husband did, which I'm not. I don't have any blame to be blamed. Please help me, Lord. Help me. Everybody's watching me. Help me. The whole with human rights. I saw the president. She came with her car. They picked me up. If anything happened to me, the whole world should watch. I saw her with my eyes. Look at me. This is a car. If anything happened to me, I don't know. See, everybody should watch. The whole world should watch. I'll come to my rescue. I say I'm not afraid of these people. Even when I'm dying, it's a husband that look for me. I even run away from me because I know nothing. I'm following them inside their car. Look at me. If anything happened to me, you should help me. Help me. They are collecting my phone now. They are collecting my phone now. Collecting my phone now.
Moment, I just want to update you on Mercy's arrest. Mercy, that you know, that is alleging me of one or more things, has just been arrested by me. I'm saying this for you people that really believe in justice to calm down, but I know many of you know what you are doing wrongly, so you may not even see anything good in it. First, I want to let you know it's a bailable offense. The arrest is not to keep her forever. The arrest should be for her good, rather justice for her. And as you know, she said she don't have anybody in Lagos. That's what she said at the initial stage, that she don't have anybody. Okay, being who I am, being what I want to do, there is no way I can come to Nigeria and Mercy may be nowhere to be found. And if I want to go there, people will see it like maybe I went there to threaten her life. That is why I gave some days back that the father should please come, respond, so that if the father responds, we believe that I can travel home and without even me making the arrest. They were the one that's supposed to even arrest me, but so long nobody is calling for that, and I need to go home. The reason why I've not go home all this while I can't go home and be looking for Mercy. She needs to be, she should be found somewhere to be found. A situation whereby she will be nowhere to be found. And I can't come to Nigeria and just be jumping around. So now, why am I announcing this? For you people to know that it's just an arrest for her to bring a surety, a guarantor that can provide her when I'm around. So that we now sit face to face, one on one, then the investigation will commence further. So now, if you know you are in Lagos, you are a lawyer, or you are reliable, and you want to take her on bail, like I said before, it's a bailable offense. Somebody don't need to call me, hey, forgive her, leave her. That is not how they gain justice. It's a bailable offense. You go there, you get her, bailed, she go home. If somebody can go run to her rescue now, she may not even stay. After statement, she will come home. If somebody go there on time, after statement, she will come home. I'm about going home. I'm through with what I was doing. And I don't want to stay even 24 hours in Nigeria and say they need to call Mercy. No. That is why I have to do this before I go home. That means definitely I'm going home soon. They will release her on bail. When I'm at home, I call for the investigation. We continue. So that when next I am talking, people should know maybe out of 10 words, I am a person that can say 5 truths. When next she's talking, people will also know that, out of 10 words, her truth is 8. So that is it.